Did you know that it is now recommended to brush a baby's teeth as soon as those teeth erupt from the gums? So we want to brush, and specifically we want to brush with toothpaste that does have fluoride. So there are toothpastes out there that are called training toothpastes, and those generally do not have fluoride in them. The previous recommendations were that you didn't start using fluoride toothpaste until your child's 2 years old. But now we do recommend using fluoride, regular toothpaste. It can be any sort of toothpaste, but with the fluoride. And when a baby is a baby, you're just going to use the amount of the size of a grain of rice. So a tiny, teeny amount. So it is okay if a little bit is swallowed, but you do want to start doing that brushing right off the bat when your baby's teeth come in. And then you're going to continue to do that. And then once your child is able to swallow reliably on their own, then you can switch over to a pea-sized amount of toothpaste. So a couple of things also, in the beginning when you start, you probably can get away with just brushing once a day, but once your baby really has a set of teeth, you do want to be brushing twice a day, or your baby should be having fluoride on those teeth twice a day. So that's something that is important. Really, you are going to need to be the one brushing your child's teeth for quite a while. So kids cannot really reliably brush their teeth well until probably, depending on the child, somewhere between 5 and even 7 years old. So it is something that you're going to want to continue to do. And that doesn't mean you need to do it exclusively. Your child can do a once over, and then you can come in and do a touch up and make sure that all the teeth are addressed. Another thing is those toddler years can be pretty tough when children sometimes start to really, really fight the toothbrushing. And this really is simply something that you're going to have to fight. It is a battle that needs to be won for your baby's oral health. You can try to make it into a game as much as possible. We did that, but we had to keep changing the game because after a while it wouldn't do its job. You can sing songs if your kid really wants to do the brushing, but you're a little bit worried about them just taking a toothbrush that has the fluoride on it and just sucking and sucking and sucking and not doing anything else. You can give your child a toothbrush that does not have any toothpaste or just has maybe the training toothpaste on it. And then you at the same time kind of go in there and you're both brushing at the same time, even with very, very little ones. And that's a good way for them to feel like they're part of the process. They at least think that they have some control. They are practicing their fine motor skills. There's lots of ways that that can be beneficial, but it is a battle that you do want to fight. So after that first set of baby teeth come in, you do want to start brushing right away. And then we recommend establishing care with a dentist somewhere around after your child gets that first set of teeth. So that may be somewhere between 12 and 18 months. So any questions, let me know. Have a great day and brush those teeth.